Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zen's Kitchen. How is everyone doing? I'm doing great. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate. So in today's video, we're gonna be making pita bread. Very simple, guys. So stay tuned. In this bowl, I have 1 cup water. It's a warm water. 1 tablespoon of yeast. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I'm gonna just mix everything together and set aside for 10 minutes. In this bowl, I'm gonna add 2 cups of plain flour, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of olive oil. Now we're going to pour the mixture that we already made earlier. Now I'm gonna just mix everything together. Now that I'm done, I'm going to sprinkle some dry flour in the surface where I'm gonna be working and transfer the dough into it. I'm going to knead the dough for 6 to 7 minutes or until it's nicely smooth. Now that I'm done, I'm going to add some oil in the bowl and place my dough. To cover my dough, I'm using this plastic wrap. I'm gonna just wrap nicely and let the dough rest for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, it's after 1 hour now. I'm going to sprinkle some flowers again. Then I'm going to press the dough to remove the excess air that is in the dough. And then I'm going to shape the dough in small balls. Now that I'm done, I'm going to take a tray and sprinkle some dry flour. Then I'm going to place all the bowl in it. Cover it and set aside. Now we're going to roll each ball into a circle. And make sure you are making small and thick. When you are finished rolling, place them in the baking paper, then you cover them and set aside until you are ready to cook. To cook, we need medium to low flame. So I already have my pan in the stove. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place my bread like so. Then to cook, guys, you have to cook for a few seconds in other side, then you flip it over. You do the same thing. So when you repeat the process, you can leave it for more time until you see starting getting brown. You flip it over, you cook in other side as well until both side is light golden. And this pita bread, guys, you don't need to worry about getting rotten. It won't get rotten if you keep in the refrigerator, and it will last up to 2 weeks. So if you want to eat, you just have to warm it up in microwave and enjoy. You can have with the curry, you can have with a cup of tea, you can do so many things with your pita bread. It's really amazing, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, please share with a family and friend, give it thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.